If Roblox keeps crashing or auto-backing on your Android mobile, follow these steps to fix the issue. First, ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements to run Roblox smoothly. Check your available storage space on your phone, as low storage can cause the app to crash. Delete unnecessary files or apps if needed. Next, clear the app's cache. Go to your phone settings, then app management, and locate Roblox in the list. Tap on it, select storage, and then tap clear cache. This will remove temporary files that might be causing the crashes. Ensure that your Roblox app is updated to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store, search for Roblox, and check if an update is available. Installing updates often fixes bugs and improves app performance. Restart your device to refresh the system and free up memory. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor glitches that lead to app crashes. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the Roblox app. Open the Google Play Store, uninstall Roblox, and then reinstall it. Re-log into your account and check if the crashes are resolved. Additionally, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause the app to behave unexpectedly. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the issue improves. If none of these solutions work, ensure your Android system software is up to date. Go to Settings, check for System Update, and install any pending updates. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the crashes and auto back issues on Roblox. If this video helped, please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.